Hello. I am a bit sick right now. Oh my gosh, excuse the hair, please. But I just had a doctor's appointment and I wanted to treat myself to feel better by getting Vietnamese coffee, because that makes sense, right? So I got the VIP drink from Tram cream coffee in Little Saigon, and I think this is their number 2 location or something. So oh my gosh, their straws are so cute. Shows like little men walking. Little men. Why do I think they're men? They look like top hats. Okay, so I got the iced version because I think it has grass jelly in it at the top, and then egg coffee foam or egg foam on top and coffee foam on top, and then Vietnamese coffee. This is filled with ice. Yeah, this is filled with ice. Okay. That is so strong. I would give this, look, the foam. I would say if you like sweet drinks, don't get this. But if you like strong coffee with a little bit of sweetness, this is the one for you. Look, my nails match. But I like it. I should stop drinking it, but I love going to that coffee place, and I hope I get better. Bye.